Alright guys, we just keep on plowing through all my VSTs up here in the very top part of my plugins folder, which most of them are free and a lot of them are 32-bit, so we've been going through that. So if you've missed that out on that, go back into the YouTube playlist and find the My VST playlist and start on that. We've been going through my whole collection and we're going to keep on going through everything of mine. So next up was Melda production, and I did, that's going to be a long video, and that warrants a really more in-depth video. So we're going to skip over that one too, and kind of keep on going down. But I will plug it in real quickly and say that if you haven't gone over and checked out the pack that you can get from Melda production, go check that out. Very, very, very cool. But for right now, we are checking out a product from Full Bucket here called Mono Fury. Now, there's not really much to say about this thing. If you don't have something like this in your arsenal, it'd be a very cool thing to have. And what it does very well. But it's pretty simple. I mean, it's a 4 oscillator beast here. Ran through some filter. You've got some ADSR controls over here, some noise levels, key assign mode, some chord unison shape. You can hold it. Yeah, dude. I mean, there's some cool stuff going on here to get some cool results. I think it's a very easy machine to get going here. The Arpeggiator is very simple. And I think that's kind of what it does simple very well, and I guess the name really kind of really spearheads that when you read it and you're like, oh, Mono Fury. Well, that's exactly what it's doing. So let's take a couple of listens to the presets here, and I'll let it speak for itself. Yeah, man, there's a lot of options in there for the Mono Fury. I think it's super cool. I mean, it's really neat that you're getting the chord kind of feelings by detuning the different oscillators, and I mean, it's amazing what they're doing to get a lot of these bigger sounds out of this this Monofury VST here. So it definitely warrants a further look, and it's cool to have in your arsenal if you don't have something like this. So not the coolest thing in my arsenal, but what it does very well. And if you don't have something like this, there you go. So go check that out. Full bucket Monofury. You can find this on any of the free VST outlets, VST Planet, VST Warehouse, my VST for free, things like that. Just type it in. You should be able to find it. Yeah, so we're going to be going down the list into some. We're getting it towards the end here. So as far as the free stuff goes, not really. I mean, there's a whole lot of other things here too, but it's mostly the free stuff in the very beginning, but there's a lot of stuff to go through, and the contact list is huge. And then our Max for Live folder is going to be even more in depth as far as my collection goes. So stay tuned to the channel, hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell so you will know when the videos are coming out. We're going to be pumping them out. So I'll see you guys on the next video.